Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two financial platforms, which is Monarch and WalletHub. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Monarch is built for users who want a clean, modern way to manage their money with powerful budgeting, investment tracking, and net worth dashboard. It integrates with thousands of banks, supports joint planning with partners, and offer a detailed cash flow insight. It shines for people who want control and clarity and collaboration in their finances. Talking about WalletHub, on the other hand, is more of a free all-in-one financial toolkit. It gives you credit score, credit monitoring, and a product comparison alongside with basic budgeting tools. While it's less polished and not as deep in budgeting features, it's free and help users monitor credit health while managing spending. So in conclusion, Monarch is better for serious financial planning, while WalletHub wins for free credit tracking and simple money management. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.